The magic story of the little butterfly. Once upon a time, in a beautiful garden, there lived a tiny cute caterpillar named Keto. Keto spent his days munching on delicious leaves and watching colorful butterflies fluttering happily around. Keto dreamed of becoming a butterfly one day and soaring in the blue sky. One day, Keto found a soft and cozy spot and made his little home, which we call a cocoon. Inside, Keto began an amazing transformation. It felt like magic. After several days of waiting, Keto broke out of his cocoon. And what did he see? Keto had beautiful, colorful wings. Now Keto had become a beautiful butterfly and started flying in the blue sky. He felt the warm sunlight on his wings and was very happy. Keto realized that every change, no matter how tough, can lead to something beautiful. So kids, never give up, because you too can achieve your dreams, just like Keto did. The end.